Hey, Squizzer is back with another twisty challenge. Today, we will test your skills by finding the odd one out in this exciting Animals edition. Ready? Hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. One lion is roaring, the other looks sleepy. Can you spot the odd one? The yawning lion, super stuff. Can you find the elephant with the peanut? Dude, that's the one. Good. One giraffe is twisting its neck. Can you find it? Ooh, found it. Keep going, champ. What is the correct pose here for the mighty elephant? Amazing, you've got it. Find the hippo with the big yawn. Good eye, super stuff. Which panda looks like a rock star? That's the one. Nice work. Find the rhino who's partying. Oh, there it is. Awesome. Which fox is giving you a wink? Nice catch. Good. Photographic memory test. Remember the positions of these 4 magnificent land animals. Now recall which number was the zebra under. Yes, the correct answer is under 2. Spot the llama with the swag. Correct. Great effort. Which raccoon is ready for battle? That's the one. Good. Would you rather have the super strength of an elephant or the incredible speed of a cheetah? Find the correct pose for this clever red fox. Spot on, great work. Which cow is ready for vacation? That's right. Great effort. Spot the camel with the gear. Correct. Super stuff. Find the tiger sticking its tongue out. Super stuff. Which armadillo is curled up tight? Black. Excellent. Spot the wolf howling at the moon. Exactly. Excellent. Photographic memory test. Remember the positions of these 4 charming land animals. Now recall which number was the squirrel under. Yes, the correct answer is under 4. Can you find the bow tie bunny? Nice job, keep going, champ. Which zebra has the wild hairstyle? There it is. Brilliant. Would you rather share a cozy forest cabin with a friendly grizzly bear, or have a family of playful capuchin monkeys live in your backyard trees? Which meerkat is on lookout duty? That's the one. Great effort. Which squirrel is playing detective? White? Again, excellent. Which pup is fully geared up? Nice pick. Keep going, champ. Which pose correctly captures our tall friend, the giraffe? Excellent job, you found it. Can you find the cool sloth with shades? Here it is. Nice work. Which hedgehog is ready for battle? There it is. Excellent. Spot the leopard with leafy camouflage. Correct pick. Good.
That's it, guys. What's your score? Please write your score in the comments. And do not forget to subscribe to watch new quizzes. See you. That's it, guys.